Hello students, welcome to Dr. Chandan Mohanty classes. In this video, I will be discussing about non-compartmental analysis. Actually, this non-compartmental analysis is part of pharmacokinetic model. As we know, pharmacokinetic model basically are of three types: compartment model, non-compartment model and physiologic model. Regarding compartment model, I have already made a video. That video link I have given in the description. So in this video particularly we will be discussing about non-compartmental analysis. The contents are: first, what is the other name of non-compartment model and why it is so. Second, it is based on which theory and what this theory is telling about. Third, how it is expressed mathematically. This non-compartment model, how it can be expressed mathematically. Then last, its application, advantages and disadvantages. So let's start. This non-compartment model is also known as model independent method, because unlike pharmacokinetic model, here we will not assume that our body is having some compartments. There no such assumptions are there. Hence this non-compartment analysis is also known as model independent method, because here we will not assume any such models are there. But however, this is based on the assumptions that drugs or metabolites, they will follow linear kinetics, means drugs and after metabolizing those metabolites, both they will follow first order kinetics, and it can be applied to any compartment model. As we know, compartment models are of two types: mammillary model and quaternary model. So to those both type of model, this thing will be applied. Second, this non-compartment approach is based on statistical moment theory. This theory involves the collection of experimental data following a single dose of a drug. After a single dose of drug is administered, then at regular time interval like first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, how much drug is present in blood or plasma, that will be estimated, and that data will be used to get this MRT. MRT stands for mean residence time. It can be calculated by dividing AUMC with AUC. MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. So this non-compartmental analysis is based on this mathematical expression. MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. MRT stands for mean residence time, AUMC area under first moment curve, and AUC area under zero moment curve, area under the curve. Then what is this MRT? MRT stands for mean residence time. This term is telling everything. It is the average amount of time spent by the drug before being eliminated from the body. After the drug is absorbed, how much average time the drug is staying in our body before the drug is being eliminated out from our body. That average time is called as mean residence time. How much time the drug is staying in our body. MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. So if we will know this, what is AUMC and how much is AUC, we can get easily MRT. Generally, this AUMC is obtained from a plot of product of plasma drug concentration and time versus time, means the multiplication of C into T versus time from 0 to infinity. AUMC is equal to the integration of Ct dt from 0 to infinity. And similarly, AUC is obtained from a plot of plasma drug concentration versus time. That means C versus T from 0 to infinity. AUC is equal to the integration of C dt from 0 to infinity. Here you see this graph. This part is AUC and this total part is AUMC. The AUC can be obtained by plotting a graph between time versus concentration, C versus T, plasma drug concentration versus time. That graph will be area under the curve. But if we will plot a curve between time versus C into T, time versus concentration into time, that curve will be AUMC. So if we will plot a curve between time versus C, that will give AUC. If we will plot a curve between time versus C into T, that will be AUMC. And practically this AUMC and AUC can be calculated by using the trapezoidal rule. What is this trapezoidal rule and how it can be calculated? I have already made a video regarding the calculation of AUC. That video link I have given in the description. Also it is given in the I button. Please watch that video. So MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. The applications of non-compartment model. This model can be used to determine many important pharmacokinetic parameters such as bioavailability F, clearance CLR, apparent volume of distributions VD, half-life T-half, rate of absorption and what rate drug is absorbed, and first order absorption rate constants Ka. So these many important pharmacokinetic parameters can be obtained by using this non-compartmental analysis. Then what are its advantages? First point, easy derivation of pharmacokinetic parameters by simple algebraic equations. In compartment model there are many differential equations, but here only a simple mathematical equation MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. By using that simple algebraic equation we can get MRT and this model can be used. Then second point, the same mathematical treatment can be applied to almost any drugs or metabolite, but the term and condition they should follow first order kinetics. Any drug or any metabolites, their data can be obtained from this non-compartment model by using this simple mathematical equation MRT is equal to AUMC by AUC. But the thing is that they should follow first order kinetics. Then what are its disadvantages? It provides limited information regarding the plasma drug concentration time profile. Mostly it deals with average. Here we will not exact data, it is dealing with the averages and there is no information regarding plasma drug concentration versus time. But in compartment model we have got each time how much drug is there in plasma, but here it will deal with the average. Particular exact data here we will not get. Then this method does not explain about the non-linear cases. As I told, it is valid if the drug follow first order kinetics, means linear pharmacokinetics. What about non-linear pharmacokinetics? This model, this non-compartmental analysis does not describe about the non-linear cases. So these are the two disadvantages of non-compartment model. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood this concept of non-compartmental analysis. Actually for both B pharmacy and PharmD students, this non-compartment model is very important in exam point of view. If any doubts, queries or suggestions are there, please write in the comment box, I will be replying to them. And please don't forget to press the like button, that will motivate me to make more videos. Very soon I will come up with a new video. Till then, Namaste, Adab and Sat Sri Akal.